My school name is Dhananda Sagar International School. Today I am going to tell you a poem on nature. The title of my poem is Let's Preserve Our Nature. Let's start it. The sun is shining, the sky is blue, the birds are flying and the breeze is so cool. Mother Nature is trying her best to give nothing but beautifulness. What do we do? Let's make her the best. Let's make her the best by polluting less and less and preserve our green grass for kids and the rest. For kids and the rest. Thank you. Please save our nature.